This is a meditation for a deep sleep. I would like you now to sit in a comfortable position and take a deep breath in and now just relax your whole body, relaxing your forehead, relaxing your eyes, relaxing your cheeks, relaxing your tongue, your neck, your shoulders and your arms, relaxing your chest, relaxing your back, relaxing your abdomen, your hips and your legs, relaxing your whole body. Every cell, every muscle is in a perfectly relaxed state. And you can just focus on my voice. Anything else you hear from the outside will make you go deeper and deeper into relaxation. Imagine now that you are in a beautiful garden and there are beautiful trees in the distance and a river flowing beneath the trees. You see butterflies and birds, and there are roses everywhere, pink and white and red. And this place is so beautiful and peaceful. You can feel the sunshine on your skin, the wind in your hair, and you can smell the roses. And you just feel so much peace. And you sit down on the grass and you look at the butterflies and you notice that the sun is setting, the sun is coming down, and the sky is getting darker and darker, and you feel so peaceful, and you see beautiful angels coming around you, and you feel so relaxed and so much at peace with yourself. There's nothing to think about, there's nothing to worry about. You can just rest and relax and go into deep sleep. You can go into deep sleep and allow your body to rest. Allow your whole body to rest. Allow your brain to rest. Allow your muscles to rest. So when you wake up in the morning, you feel energized and ready for the day. And you feel your muscles going into deep relaxation and resting. You feel your eyes resting, your brain resting, and all your nerves. And you just fall asleep into a deep sleep. And you can just keep listening to the sound until you fall asleep completely and wake up in the morning.